Hey everybody, Jeff Casmer here, and I'm excited to do another video today. And it has again been a while, and I'm not going to go through the same spiel that I have so many topics to talk about. But that's because I'm trading and helping my team in IMarketsLive. So let me get some of the particulars away, and then I'll get to my topic today. The first point is, if you're interested in subscribing to the channel, please, there's a subscribe button here. If you like the content that I'm providing, give a thumbs up, give some comments. If you've got a question, fire away in the boxes down below, and I'd be happy to answer any question that you might have. I've been making money now for 19 years online, and I am an affiliate marketer and a trader through IMarketsLive. And I try to help people make money from home or through an online business, and I've done that for over 19 years. But this company that I've been in with over a year now, year 3 months, year 4 months, by far the best company that I've ever been in. If you are interested in joining IMarketsLive and our specific team, and of course I say this in every video, we do actually have the #1 team in the company. Okay, this is not a video with a bunch of splash and fake news. We are actually the #1 company. We have the #1 recruiter in the United States. And in the company that's on our team. He started the group, and we are very, very excited to help a lot of people with trading Forex, and you need no experience to get started. So if you're interested, you reach me through Facebook, send me a message through YouTube. That's where I'm at. Send me a friend request. I can get you inside of our group that will kind of give you some information on Forex trading without joining anything. I'm not even going to send you a join link. If you're interested in finding out and getting on my newsletter and finding out more information, scroll down there. If you're ready to join our team, my link to join the team is on board. And that kind of leads to my topic today. It's the day after Thanksgiving. Lots of things are happening. The best time to start a business and trading Forex is right now. And as we get closer to the holidays, sometimes people just kind of put things off, put it off, New Year, February, April, and then you never do it. Now's the perfect opportunity. So what I want to do is I get a lot of questions about the sign-up page of IMarketsLive. Hey, which package? What should I do here? This is an extra, an add-on, that kind of stuff. So that's what this video is about, is kind of going through the sign-up, the packages for IMarketsLive, because I do get a lot of questions for prospective customers. Which package should I take? I'm going to explain that to you right now, okay? So let's go to IMarketsLive, and of course, if you're interested, imarketslive.com/Jeff Casmer, and our team is just doing fantastic. I just love helping people. This is just a great opportunity. And by the way, I knew nothing about Forex, okay? So if this is the first video you've seen on mine, I mentioned some of the same things every day, because consistency is paramount. I knew nothing about Forex until I got with this company, okay? There's lots of cheap, free, inexpensive ways to try to learn Forex, but this is by far the platform to learn about Forex or just make money trading Forex with knowing very little through our apps. The main app obviously is the swipetrades app. We also have a swipecoin app for crypto. So anyway, let's just say I wanted to get started. I kind of go to this page. Now, here's the two. And they kind of redesigned this page. This is for new customers. So if you're interested in trading, that's what you want to be. If you're interested in promoting the company, that's an IBO. So go down to here, customer, and I want to get down to this. Now, I've had another video explaining this and some of the packages, so that's why I'm going through this again, okay, because we have released a couple new tools, okay, since the last time I did this video. So this is pretty simple, okay? These are the two packages, okay? All right, Platinum Package Plus, okay? And of course, some of this includes tax, okay? So, if you choose the Platinum Package, you will get the IML Forex and Crypto Academy. Now, that is basically the educational platform and the training to learn how to trade Forex and crypto, okay? IML TV All Sessions. This is a ton of educators that will educate you and live trade with you and teach you many, many different times of the day. So if you're in another part of the world, another country, New York, Australia, doesn't matter, there is going to be sessions of IML TV that you can watch where you can learn live to trade, or there's just some basic scenarios of how to learn the basics of trading. There are tons and tons of educators inside IML TV. One of our great tools that is, actually we have a strategy called the bounce back strategy in our specific group as well as company-wide that's absolutely crushing it, is the harmonic scanner, okay? And this is just a tool that sometimes will sell for a couple grand, okay? This is all part of the membership, okay? The next thing that you get with the Platinum package is the swing trades and night owl sessions, okay? This is, again, pretty self-explanatory. Swing trades and night owl. Night owl sessions are with our CEO, Christopher Terry. He'll send out a notification that he's going to do a night owl session, and then he will analyze the markets for you and kind of give you potential trade setups, okay? And then finally, Pip Talk is a communication tool where, for example, in our specific group, we have a group designed just for our team inside of Pip Talk. But this is a way that all these tools, some of these CEOs or some of the people who run these particular strategies will have their own channel. So it's just a communication tool, almost like an instant messenger, okay? And you can get inside of a group, or it's like a forum where you can bounce ideas off, get questions, answers, those types of things. But there's always a way to communicate with somebody. Now, we have a specific group just for Pip Talk for our team. We've been doing it all along where we have educators that we have a 6-figure trader and an 8-figure trader that are part of a group. The 8-figure trader was brought in by our 6-figure trader, okay? And he's the creator of the bounce back strategy. So he is obviously a huge part of our group, and he does weekly seminars inside of a group only for potential trades. I can't begin to tell you if I give you my big face here what a gold mine that is. It's a 6-figure and 8-figure trader. It's a live webinar, and they are going through the charts for you and giving you potential setups. And inside Pip's Talk, they're going to actually give you the actual trades. You heard all that, right? You see all that? Okay, just making sure. So let me get back to this. So anyway, that's what you get with the Platinum package. Okay? So your Platinum package, your initial payment's $217.19. Okay? And then every month after that is $161.50, and this is what you get. Okay? Now, you can get add-ons. Okay? And I'm going to go through that real quick. Add-ons. Or you just go to the Platinum Package Plus. That's your initial. That's your every month. Here's the two big things. Okay? Swipe trades. Okay? You get swipe trades included with this price. Most people will choose this package, but I'll give you a clue as to how you can get your monthly cost down a little bit. And Web Analyzer, which is a software that gives you potential trade setups. It is a absolute gold mine, and I use it all the time. Okay. The Swipe Trades app is the app that you've probably seen all my other videos or done any other reading. That's where you have an app on your phone, and you get swipe trades, and you copy and paste, and you put them in, and you make money, okay? So this is the thing that gets people started without knowing anything about Forex, okay? Now, if money's tight, real tight, and I'm suggesting real tight because you're going to want to use these as well, okay? Then you can choose the Platinum package, initial payment every month after, and then you can add on swipe trades, okay, for $15 a month. So if you add $15 a month, then you can see that your monthly cost is less than the $194.91, okay? You can also do that through the Web Analyzer. That is also an add-on for $15 per month, okay? And as you can see, still a little cheaper, okay? We haven't even listed a couple of the other new tools. For example, the Gold Cup. It's a brand new strategy, and that is absolutely taking us by storm. So they haven't even updated this package to potentially include the Gold Cup, okay, which is absolutely another great tool. I'm not going to go into it on this particular video. Actually, I think there was another video that I did that can give you some basic information on it, okay? And I think there's something else that I'm missing. So these are the two packages, okay? Bottom line is most people just take this. They want it all, period. Okay? Now, if they find that they're really, really good at, the harmonic scanner, and they're not going to use swipetrades or web analyzer down the road, then they can go down to this package. You can go down month to month. There's no longer long-term obligation. You can cancel at the end of every month. Not an issue. Okay? But most people take it all just because of the value there. All right? So here's where people miss the boat. Okay? And I've got a video coming on excuses for not joining IML. And I have heard them all. Everybody has a story. Okay? Bottom line is about taking action. If you get on board IML, and of course, and by the way, there's risk in trading. Past profits don't always guarantee future results. I'm always required to say that in the video. Because my job is not to promise you to be a millionaire. Okay, that's not my job. You have to use the tools properly. Okay? But I'm telling you, to get started in making money to cover your monthly costs, depending on how much you start out with your broker account, swipe trades alone can pay that fee. Okay? Remember, you are here to learn a skill. Okay? And along the way, we're going to be able to give you trades to take based on other people's great mass experience at Forex trading. All right? Some people just to give you an idea, some people just sign up for the platinum and just do swipe trades. That's all they do. Okay? And I don't even have swipecoin on here. And by the way, a couple of these free tools you get for 30 days free once you sign up, by the way. If you're a new customer, you'll get access to these tools for 30 days. Okay? And in fact, the swipecoin might be 60, but don't quote me on that. Okay? So it's like a slam dunk trying Forex trading if you have no experience in it, or maybe you have a little experience and failed. Okay? I have so many questions. I got 5 questions today. 5. This is the day after Thanksgiving. And like one of the questions was, can you trade around Christmas time? Right? That's people trying to find reasons not to get on board right now. It's finding reasons to get, but that's finding reasons not to sign up. That is not what this video is about. And trust me, I've got other videos on that. Okay? I just wanted to clarify. Now, real quick, if you want to get in cheaper, right, but you want to get that swipe trades, and maybe you don't want web analyzer now or anything like that, you can add those on later. You can go for the platinum package. This harmonic scanner is gold mine, and so is the IML TV. But anyway, you can take this package, okay, sign up for the package, and get the swipe trades at $15. That's it. That's it. Right? Take the mentality of, I gotta make a bunch of money, I gotta make the fee by the end of the 30 days. Stop. And I probably have said this in other videos. Go Uber, deliver pizzas, find a way. Learn a skill that will change your life. That's what I am preaching to you. Okay? Trust me. I procrastinated. I found reasons not to join. You have to change your mentality. There's a 7-day no money back guarantee. You can sign up for one of the packages. If you don't like it, you don't want to try it, you don't want to do it, you're lazy, whatever the case may be, just get your money back within 7 days. But stop thinking about that first 30 days. I got to make a bunch of money. No, you can make money in the first month, for sure. But we always recommend you demo trade, even when you start out with swipe trades and you know nothing. We just want to make sure you copy and paste properly, okay? So to close this, right, I just wanted to clarify the couple different packages. So it's based on your needs, all right? Hopefully I was able to answer all the questions here, okay, in this video. If you've got more questions, post them on the video, okay? If you want to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe here for more information. Please give me a positive check mark if this was helpful, or leave some feedback for me. If you got more questions, leave the questions here. If you want to get on my newsletter, there's a link down there in my newsletter. If you want to get on board our team, the #1 team in the company, the link to join is right there. Reach me on Facebook at Jeff Kasmer. I'll get you inside of our group that's for prospective customers so you can see the leadership team that we have that can change your life. Get back to me. Thanks. Have a great day.